Hello there, everybody. Norman at Tyre Devotion here. Welcome to one of our Tyre Devotion Priority Customer tutorial videos. So today I'm going to talk about the book and request forms that we have on site to allow you to request a booking. Once you log in, this is the screen you should see. This is the kind of main landing screen. On here you have two ways to access it. One, there is a tab at the top which is book and request. You can click on that, or if you scroll down the screen, you'll see request a visit down on the bottom right hand side here. So if you click on book and request, this brings up a form. Most of the forms should be filled in if you have your manage account section completed. If not, any blank areas, if you could complete them. So obviously name, contact phone number, your email address, your address, if it's not already filled in, please put that in there. You can put your postcode in there as well. Then the next box is ideal date and time for when you want to make a booking. If you could give us a couple of choices, that would be brilliant. If not, just put some dates in there or put in what your request is and we'll see what we can do to accommodate that. And then the very last box is the requested work. So if you require tyres, put the tyre size and what you're looking for. If you're looking for a branded or budget tyre, if you're looking to get a puncture done, put that in there. Or if it happens to be winter or summer changeovers, put that information in there. As much information as you can put in there would be superb. Then all you do, once you've filled in the form, click the send at book and request, and that will be popped through us on an email, and we will pick it up and respond to you as quick as you can. So that is the book and request area of the customer priority area. So thanks very much for watching my video today. If you have any questions, you can get in touch by email or by contacting us. We thank you for being a Tyre Devotion Priority customer card holder, and there will be more videos to follow. Thank you.